back, this is Kim. Today we're going to be talking about some more Windows 10 settings that you should change right away. You don't have to do these things, but it's a good idea. One of the first things that you need to do is go into Start and Settings, Update and Security, and check and see if there's a Windows Update. If there's one, it's going to say install right here, or it might start downloading them. Please get in the habit of looking at this often. I know I mentioned this in the other video, but it's important. Anyways, okay, so we want to go down here to Advanced Options. If you have Microsoft Office installed on your computer, make sure this is turned on so you also get the Office updates. If this is off, you'll just get the Windows updates, and it will update drivers and like your video card drivers and your printer drivers and things like that, but it will not update Office unless you turn this on. Okay, so that's that. Leave these off. Go down here to Delivery Optimization. So by default this is set to on. So what it does is it will look for other computers on your network. Could be your Wi-Fi network, could be a work network, whatever. And it uses a bunch of bandwidth to install these updates from another computer. Anyways, just turn it off. You'll have to download your own updates, but I think it's just a better idea. So that's that. Another thing I wanted to do was go and type in diagnostics up here. Oops, I spelled it wrong. Okay, diagnostics and feedback settings. Scroll down and make sure this says never. Otherwise Windows is going to bother you all the time for feedback, and you don't want that. Okay, so now something fun. Close that, go down here and type in calculator. This is a built-in calculator app. Oops. It has some cool things. I didn't know what that did. I guess it just moves it. Anyways, it's a normal calculator. You know, pretty simple. 2 plus 2 equals 4. Okay, but look at these. If you click on these little 3 lines, it has a lot of options, which is very cool. So here's date calculation from today to, let's say, let's pick Christmas. Okay, 4 months, 122 days. It's kind of cool. So then you can do like currency, dollars. Let's see, $85 is 71.79 euros. You can type in temperature. So 95 degrees is 35 Celsius. Here's volume. You could change this to cups. Let's say 2 cups. Goes to how many. You can go cups to pints. You can go, you know, teaspoons, tablespoons. So that's kind of fun. And then length, same kind of thing. Let's say 12 inches. How many centimeters? How many miles? Microns. Wow. So anyways, it's fun. There's a lot of things in here. You should play with it a little bit. Let's see. So that's it for today. Hope you liked this video. Please click like and subscribe if you haven't done that already. And we'll see you next time.